服务员，哪里还有服务员，开好火，服务员，叫第二趟，
服务员，
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 服务员。
服务员。
I can't imagine a hot pot restaurant with no waiters.
I mean, what would you like if a restaurant has no waiter?
I don't know. I've been to a self-service study room, self-service market, self-service car wash, cafe, metro, and yeah.
Michael, are you okay?
Sorry, what was I saying? I've never been to a self-service hot pot restaurant before.
Hey, look, there's a self-service hot pot in town.
Really?
And it opens 24 hours.
You know what we should do? We should be crazy and have hot pot for breakfast tomorrow.
What? Have hot pot in the morning.
Exactly. It's 9 a.m. in the morning.
Oh my god.
And for breakfast, we're having hot pot.
Ah, it's here. We need to scan to order.
Okay.
Scan order. And then the soup base for the hot pot, we have to make it ourselves.
Do you know how to do that?
I will try. Let's see. Let's get in.
So, Vicky, it's pretty obvious that it's breakfast time because there ain't nobody here. Mm-hmm. So we have the whole restaurant to ourselves.
We do. And no waiter at all.
It's kind of like a supermarket. So we grab our little shopping cart and then what's next?
Okay. It says scan to open the door. Scanning. Doors opening.
Oh, wow. Ta-da! Great. Okay, so what did you say this one is?
This is tomato base. And this is for the yuanyang guodi.
Okay, and that's a mix, yeah?
Yeah, that's the half-half.
Well, let's grab one of those.
Okay. Oh, since we take this out, it has, in my shopping cart, it has that in it.
Wow, so there, 37 kwai. And
Yeah.
it knows that we've
37
taken it
baht,
out.
yeah, you're paying that. I want that.
Okay, well then scan it. You gotta scan every door.
Every time I take out something, it shows here on my phone. Let's see how fast it gets. If I'm taking the lotus,
Yes.
I take it out. It's here.
Okay, now the
Instantly.
question is, if you don't want the lotus anymore and you put it back, will it then take it away from your shopping cart?
What if it doesn't?
Well, let's find
I will
out.
be charged for nothing. Are we gonna try it?
Yeah, try it.
Oh, it removed.
That is amazing.
That is very smart.
That's really, really impressive.
When the door is closing, okay, it's already charging me now. Yeah, so here,
Oh wow.
that's what's been charged for that one section.
I think there's a sensor here, so every time something comes out,
Is it sensor?
this guy.
I think it's
Maybe
the weight.
it's a weight. Maybe it's a weight.
Definitely the weight. I think everything here, the price is cheaper than the normal restaurants.
Why do you think that is?
See, there's no like waiters here. So if I'm the boss, I'm the owner, I don't have to pay extra like salaries to the waiters. That's cutting my input as well, so I can actually lower my price to make myself more competitive.
I like the process of coming here and like being in a supermarket, taking stuff, and then instead of having to drive all the way home, like you can immediately just eat what you got here.
Yeah, so it's supermarket and then plus kitchen.
Kitchen,
Yeah,
restaurant, yeah.
feel like home. It is a whole new experience. We have friends here, we get interactive with this whole cooking process.
Yeah, cooking is so much fun when you're doing it with someone else.
When you cook your own food, the food definitely tastes much nicer.
And it doesn't feel like we've missed having a waiter. It feels like we've been very capable of doing this
Yeah.
together by ourselves. People in Chengdu know when something is ready, when it's in the hot pot.
Yeah.
How? Like, where did you learn like when certain meats are ready and how long it takes?
See, I'll tell you something funny. When I read recipe, okay,
Yeah.
they say add some salt. literally means some, and we can just follow that recipe. We know some is some, so some salt, just in point. Australia, I've read like some recipes. They were like add exactly 50 grams of salt. And you follow that recipe. Well, we just.
It's all done by feeling. Okay. Can you tell by looking at it?
Yeah, it's done.
I'm asking for a second opinion.
It is done.
I don't trust you. I'm going to go well done. Oh shit, I've lost it. Actually, what I've noticed here in China, especially in Chengdu, that the self-service economy and the automated economy, it's booming here. Like even at universities, they have these automated robots that deliver your goods.
Yeah. So, what is self-service economy?
The self-service economy refers to full automation and artificial intelligence. When Coca-Cola's first coin-operated vending machine appeared at gas stations in the United States in 1937, the self-service economy began to enter our lives. Today's internet and mobile payment technologies have pushed the self-service economy to a new stage. As of 2020, the number of drone-related companies in China has exceeded 55,000. The number of self-service retail-related companies has reached 16,000. And the number of unmanned-related companies has exceeded 11,000. Obviously, the tentacles of self-service economy have touched every bit of our lives, such as the hot pot we are eating at now.
Do you have any self-service in your country?
No, I think the closest thing we've got to self-service is at a cinema.
The rising of all these self-service, do you think people are losing their job?
I think what it's done is just made our lives a whole lot more convenient. As things develop, it's always going to open up new opportunities for people. Vicky, I'm done.
Me too, very full. Okay, we don't have to clean these dishes.
Okay, good.
We just need to put them at the designated area. But I don't know how would the owner know if we ever put them in there?
That's easy, Vicky. If you look around us, there's some CCTV cameras.
Oh.
Ni hao. And let's get all of this back to the designated area.
This machine here,
you
just pour the soup base in here, and it can actually extract from the oil and the other stuff. The company will come collect them.
And do what with it?
For industrial use.
Oh, so they recycle the oil?
Yes.
That's amazing. So, Vicky, after today, do you think people in Chengdu would come and try this new experience?
I think for myself, if I come alone, I probably won't because it's too tiring, a lot of work to do. But if I come with my friends, I can get interactive with all my friends. I think that will be a fun experience.
Yeah, I think people definitely will come. Will you? You will.